Finally, an AI video tool that everyone will find a use case. So first of all, Runway yesterday came out with this new feature, which is called Runway Aleph. So you can basically transform your video in different ways. So this is something new, something that hasn't been released from anyone yet. So here you can see this is the original video, and basically the AI will create a different camera, new camera angles. Here you can see wide shot, extreme close-up, medium shot. So when this comes out, you will see when I create my videos, I will try to use this tool and I will try to see what it will come out with. In this video, you can see that background is black. That's why the AI has no problem to create a new angles without changing the background too much, because it is black and dark. It will be interesting to see how it will change the angles in my basically ruin my studio. So the next thing is generate the next shot. Here you can see this is the original video, and AI basically creates shot 1, shot 2, and shot 3. And basically when you combine these, you will have a short movie, short clip, not just one basically video with one camera angle. So again, everyone can find a use of these basically features. So this is something I don't understand, so I will just scroll past. The next thing is change environments, locations, seasons of time of the day. So here's the original video. Next, there you can see the AI is basically changing it to rain. Then we have here's the original video. Here is the sandstorm. Here is the freeze the water and the snow. So again, something really insane. So you can basically create a fake videos from Egypt or pyramids where there is basically snowing or freezing. So this will be fun to use. This hasn't yet come out yet, but I think they are rolling out as I am speaking. So yesterday announced, many people already have access to this tool. Here you can see add things to a scene, for example, fireworks. So these look really realistic. Add palm trees again. Amazing job. It will be interesting to see how it actually performs. When you try to create, maybe it doesn't do it as well in the first shots or in the first tries. So for example, add characters, add crowds. So I think this is insane. So for example, you can just go in a empty stadium or in empty basketball court, and you can, after that, you can add people, which is crazy. So it will be really fun to watch what people are coming up with. So next thing is remove things from a scene. So here you can see remove smoke. And this is I think this is complex for AI to basically remove, because this is not just a thing or some static object in the video. This is a smoke. So this is insane in my opinion. Remove person. I think that's quite easy, but again, AI has to basically understand what is behind the person and basically fill up the space. Remove the reflection. This is also quite nice. So you can basically create a really interesting scenes when where camera doesn't see you. And this last one is remove reflection from mirror. So this is quite insane. And there is another feature, change objects in a scene. So here's the original, basically a car, which is basically changed to a horse, carriers, change material. And this is insane, basically a guy hitting and running with a football ball. And basically the material from the ball is changing to a lava. So this will be insane for ad generation or just, marketing, anything like that. So really, really great. So another tool, another feature, apply the motion of a video to an image. So if you have a drone shot that has this kind of movement, just add some image and it will create a video of the image with the same movement. Again, really, really insane. Alter a character's appearance, old man to a young man, adult to a child, young man to an old man. So again, really, really interesting. This doesn't look realistic, but again, this is just a beginning. In few months, in few years, this will be insane. Here you can change the color of the house. Again, really, really great. Yeah, basically all that matters in this AI space is ideas and prompt, basically prompt ideas, because the tools and the things that you can do are so many. Basically, the tools are so many, but the ideas you have to come up with yourself, or just watch what other creators are doing and copy and paste. So real light shots. This is again something insane that I will be using for my videos. So afternoon, I don't like these cartoon basically videos. I like the real life. So here is the original video, and make it a dawn. So, and this daytime. So basically a skyscrapers in at night, and here skyscrapers, the same skyscrapers in daytime. So really, really great, insane in my opinion. And I think this is the last one. Basically, you can green screen any object, person, or situation. So here you can see, you can green screen the background of any scene or any object, any video, which is again really, really useful. It'll be interesting to see when you add something to the green screen, how good it looks, because the original video is obviously not fake, but when you add specific backgrounds to a already made video, it usually look really, really fake. So again, this will be interesting. But if you are a film creator, filmmaker, these tools will change the game for film industry. And again, this is really insane. And yeah, that's basically what I want to tell you about in this video. This came out yesterday. Many people are already getting access. So let's hope. And when this comes out, I will be the first one to create a video basically showing how this is done and how what are the limits on this. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news like these ones. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.